made these today. You're probably like, what are those? They are little tile maps, like a miniature map tile for a miniatures board game. Hang on, let me show you the big one. So Zombicide Undead or Alive, in most Zombicide games, come with these like super MDF board type tiles that you use to make a modular board game. So they connect like that, and you just set them on the board. And each of them have this little code right here, so when you open up the missions, it tells you which ones you need and where to lay them out and how to lay them out. And you kind of look at the image and you tile it. Well, because these are so big and I can't lay it out on the thing to plan out the 99 nights, I decided to make some little ones. I was super excited about it, so I made these tiny ones. And I'm going to lay them out right here, but very, very simple and easy. Let me show you how I made these. We start with cutting up the paper. I'm using a paper cutter that I've had for years. And right about here is where I see it messed up quite a bit on it and ripped some of the tiles. But now I'm just cutting with scissors, trimming it out. It was a lot easier to do that than to use that paper cutter. As I'm trimming it, my plan is to make sure I get all the edging off of it. And as you can see, I fast forwarded it. Now I'm going to glue it on that cereal box, which was a potato box. I just wanted the thick cardstock type, chipboard type thing. And using the glue stick, yeah, probably not the smartest way to do it this way. In hindsight, I probably should have just printed them off and glued it on there and then cut. Would have been much easier, but that's done and over with. Didn't do that. I did find that doing it like this kept making it very, very sticky to my fingers and not very fun to for them to stay stuck to the chipboard. Now I just cut them out, and again, in hindsight, I should have just printed it off a little bit better so I could just paste and glue it and then cut it that way. But I guess I was taking the hard route. Because I took the long route, what I'm doing here is I'm just trimming off the chipboard from each of them and then pasting the backing of it. Each one has an R and a V, and I remembered what it was. It's like recto and verso. It's a foreign language, but means like front and back. I don't remember what language, but that's what the V and R stand for. And they're all numbered, so it's like 9R, and then on the back would be 9V. And there's 1 through 18, 10, 11, 12 are the train tracks. But yeah, not so bad. Oh, by the way, I'm moving so fast because I sped this up to 10x because I didn't think you guys wanted to see too much of it. But why I'm doing this is so, as you can see with the camera overview right here, it'll be easier for me to lay out and plan map layouts and missions to do. So I can record them and look back on them and say if they were a good idea or not. But I think this is going to work for the 99 nights mission I want to make with the Windigoon and the Great Trickster. I just need to see the map layout. I do want to add some of my own personal map pieces in the future, but that's for a later time. If you subscribe, you'll see them. They'll be coming as I dwindle down my to-do list for this. I will probably add a download where you can get the... Yeah, so very, very simple, very, very easy. Just cereal box. I think I used a mashed potato box and a glue stick, which was not not fun. It made it very, very messy, but now I can use these to lay out and plan out the 99 nights mission. But I think I'm gonna put some Mod Podge. No, this is glossy. I think I'm going to put some matte Mod Podge on it on both sides and let them dry. And then what we'll do is put them together. It won't be perfect. It won't be perfect, but it'll at least give us some sort of layout. And we can use this for later, future videos as well to plan out cool scenarios and campaigns for new ones. But yeah, I wanted to share.
that's the video today.